Today is April 6, 2026, and here is the news that you can use. This is the Exchange Daily, providing the 5 minutes that secure your 24 hours. Because in this environment, guesswork is not a strategy. HHS just reversed its 2024 reorganization and placed the Chief Artificial Intelligence Officer, Chief Data Officer, and Chief Technology Officer back under the Office of the Chief Information Officer. The move restores unified enterprise leadership over technology, data, and responsible AI, sharpening focus on shared platforms while keeping the Office of the National Coordinator laser-focused on health IT interoperability. CIOs and CISOs now have a clearer single point of accountability for AI integration across HHS. Building directly on that governance realignment, the Government Accountability Office today flags critical privacy shortfalls in Office of Management and Budget, Artificial Intelligence Guidance. GAO 26-107681 finds that OMB's existing memos fully address only 2 of 10 key privacy risks identified by experts, leaving agencies exposed on data minimization, consent, and long-term monitoring. Federal leaders should review their own AI privacy controls before the next budget cycle. Complementing the evaluation push, the National Institute of Standards and Technology released AI 804, mapping 6 categories of challenges in monitoring deployed artificial intelligence systems, from functionality drift to security and human factors transparency. The report, built on practitioner workshops and literature review, gives agencies concrete gaps to close in post-deployment oversight, especially for generative systems. To help agencies implement these policies on the ground, the Office of Personnel Management just launched its updated 2026 AI training series for federal employees. The SCORM packages deliver responsible and effective artificial intelligence foundations tailored to government settings. CIOs should schedule teams now to close the skills gap before procurement deadlines tighten. Industry submitted extensive comments on the General Services Administration's draft GSAR 552.239-7001 AI Procurement Clause before the April 3rd deadline. That brings us straight to today's Exchange Weekly. Today's Exchange Weekly delivers the complete executive guide to GSA's proposed AI Procurement Clause, GSAR 552.239-7001, detailing exactly what the new basic safeguarding of artificial intelligence systems rules mean for federal contractors, agencies, and CIOs, including data ownership, safeguards, and preparation steps, now that the public comment period has closed. If you want the Premium Monday package, go to tie.metora.solutions. You can find the link in the show notes. Finally, the Office of Management and Budget's M2610 memo requires CIOs to report IT contracts monthly for greater transparency and accountability. The directive strengthens digital governance and gives leadership the visibility needed to align cloud and AI investments with enterprise risk posture. And for a full compliance deep dive on today's GSA AI procurement deadline, remember to visit the Exchange Weekly newsletter to learn about the exact language of the new Basic Safeguarding of Artificial Intelligence Systems Clause, contractor obligations, agency rollout timelines, and your last day comment strategy. Subscribe to the Exchange Weekly at tie.metora.solutions. The link is in the show notes. That's the Exchange for today. Remember, guesswork isn't a strategy. We'll see you next time for the 5 minutes that secure your next 24 hours. The Exchange newscasts and newsletters are productions of Metora Solutions LLC, a service-disabled veteran-owned small business. While every effort is made to keep details accurate as of publication time, readers and listeners should always confirm time-sensitive items such as policy changes, budget figures, and timelines directly with official documents and briefings. The Exchange is for informational purposes only. It does not constitute legal, investment, procurement, security, compliance, technical, or any other form of professional advice. No attorney-client, advisor-client, or other professional relationship is created by listening to or reading this content. Always consult qualified professionals and validate with primary sources before taking any action. All information is from publicly available sources. All rights reserved. Copyright Metora Solutions LLC 2026.